I'm publicly gonna say this. Jamaica and the whole wide world, nobody can make one bottle of any herbs that is going to heal you instantly, that don't exist from no disease whatsoever. So when people come to me and look for instant gratification when it comes on to healing man-made diseases that was created to make millions so you have it for life, it still can't instantly. They created to make money. Therefore, nature is slow but sure. So you have to be consistent with whatever herbs you're taking. You have to go on a nutritional schedule, meaning you change your entire diet instead of you die at your home with the snacks them. You have to be disciplined. You have to do certain amount of fast, either intermediate fast or fruit fast, where you're putting nutrients in your body while you're on food fast, meaning whole heap of lump of rice, flour and sugar and cooked food where you name every day and stuff in thy face and not resting your cells. You have to be consuming things on a cellular level. So don't let any herbalist trick you. There is no instant gratification towards no healing. You have to take it on a disciplinary level with medicinal herbs. Peace and light. Get this in our cranium and don't be fooled. There is no quick fix with herbs. Nature is slow but sure. Slow acting but sure. Not like pharmaceutical drug. Fast acting but destroying your vital organs like your liver, kidney. That is why they told you to drink a lot of water. I'm out. Knowledgeable True Virgin.